How to hide Instagram following and followers. In these videos, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on the only way you can hide your Instagram following and followers. So the first step is to go ahead and click on the three lines showing above your screen. When you click on that, click on settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, I want you to look for where it says, so if you're having a personal account, you can go ahead and skip this step, but if your account is not personal, you have to change your account to personal. So go ahead and click on business tools. When you click on business tools and content, go ahead and click on where it says switch account type. When you click on switch account type, just go ahead and switch to personal. So when you switch your account to personal, you can go back to the profile section, click on the three lines showing above the screen again, so you can refresh. When you refresh, go ahead and click on the three lines showing above your screen. When you do that, click on settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, you can go ahead and look for where it says account privacy. So when you click on account privacy, just click on private account. So when you turn this on, this is the trick, guys. Your followers can see people you follow and your following list. That's the trick, guys. But people, if you don't follow anyone, so I just switched my account to show you an example. This is the account that we set on the private. As you can see, guys, I cannot, even if I'm clicking on the followers, I cannot open and see who the person is. The only way I can be doing this is to go ahead and follow the person, but that's you getting a request. So if you don't want anyone to be seeing your followers, you can just go ahead and remove the person and private your account, so the person cannot see who you are following and who is following you. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.